Alright guys, welcome to a new video. In this video I'm going to talk about the Hisense TV and specifically some secret setting that is built in every single Hisense TV, but it's not talked about. Not a lot of people are using it, but I kind of find it useful in some situations and a nice thing to know about and to use. Okay, so first of all, turn on your Hisense TV, then take your remote, and then you will need to turn on the settings. So we're looking for the settings. Now we open the settings, and here we want to find, as you go down to the system tab, you click on that once. And I want to go down and find the advanced settings. Okay. Now in this advanced settings, you want to go all the way down to this usage. I'll make it a bit quieter because it's too noisy. Okay, too loud. Right. So in this usage mode, you press OK. And here you can switch between the home mode and the store mode. And what it will do is that it will make your Hisense TV appear as if it's in the store, appearing, showing those, high quality films, videos, pictures with some nice sounds. And I just find that, look, it says initiate store mode, and then it just lets you know that this mode will increase the energy consumption, which is okay. You just press confirm. Okay, so what we get, look, a bright, nice colors, nice picture, with good sounds. Not yet, but it will come sooner or later. All right, so it just can be used when you're chilling with your friends, for example, doing some silly stuff, and just to have this TV and beautiful pictures in the background without specifically looking for it. All right, so if you found this video helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.